The land on which the society's building was constructed was in the name of Ramachandra Godumbe and Suhasini Godumbe, both of whom had died, and their legal heirs were not known. When we went for the conveyance deed, we had the following problems. First of all, the property card was in the name of the deceased landlord, and Mr. Prabhu advised us that because of this factor, we should go in only for deemed conveyance and not for regular conveyance through the courts. And he had also told us that after we get the conveyance deed okayed by the deemed authority, the society's name will be transferred on the property card. Messrs. Prabhu Associates obtained all the required documents for the conveyance, and there were some deficiencies in the documents that the society had, so those had to be re-obtained. They got all the documents, they got the deemed conveyance order from the authority, that is the deputy registrar, whatever, and then he got the unilateral deed of conveyance in favor of the society. In the meantime, they had to send notices to the builder as well as the landowner, and obviously landowner, there was no response, and the builder was not cooperating. We had even tried to contact the builder personally, and he had told us, you do whatever is required, I am not going to cooperate and help you in any way. And there was another problem with the society. While all the members had paid the stamp duty and got their documents duly registered, there were some members who had a deficit of stamp duty. Either they had not paid or they had paid less stamp duty, and two of the members had no registration also. This problem was also sorted out by Prabhu Associates, who followed up, got the matter adjudicated, paid the stamp duty and got the registration done. After registering the conveyance deed, the name change in the property card through the Tahsildar's office was also done by Prabhu Associates. We were quite happy with the overall follow-up done by Prabhu Associates and their team, because this needed continuous follow-up at various levels. And this was the problem that we had faced with our earlier set of lawyers. We were neither able to follow up nor were the lawyers following up properly. So in that way, we are very, very happy. And we can certify that Prabhu Associates is the right person for this job, because they have full knowledge and capacity for undertaking this work. They also have a full team of both advocates and other officers required to follow up on a daily basis. And as far as conveyance is concerned, we feel that in spite of the expenses and the trouble that we had to undergo to get the conveyance, it is well worth, because in the long run, if you do not own the land on which the building is situated, in case of some problem, we can have enormous amount of difficulty. In fact, in our road itself, two buildings away from our society, another building had fallen, and till today that building has not been constructed because of lack of conveyance. So we feel in that way this is worth it. And initially, of course, we had faced a lot of problems, because members were not willing to undertake conveyance, because there is an expense angle to it. So Prabhu had in fact come and made a presentation in our society, convincing members. It took quite a bit of time, but I feel it is worth it. And now we have got all our problems sorted out. The last stage of property card, which is the final one, this has also been transferred in the name of the society. We would like to thank Prabhu Associates Private Limited from the society for getting this work done. Thanks.
Thank you.
The process starts with deemed conveyance application. This is the first step in the whole thing, and you can see that this is quite a complicated document, because this summarizes the whole matter, whatever was there, right from the time the builder bought the place and constructed the building, got the permissions, everything is there. This is the first document that is there. The second is the order of deemed conveyance issued by the DDR. This is again a detailed document which lists the summary of the whole transaction, and with culminating in the issuance of the government's deemed conveyance order. After the conveyance order was obtained, we had to get it registered. As a prerequisite to that, we have to go to the collector of stamps for paying the stamp duty. And the collector had his own rules and had demanded a very high stamp duty for this particular purpose. And here, through Prabhu, an application was moved, and the stamp duty was brought down in accordance with law to a acceptable level. Okay. After the adjudication was done, then we went in for registration of the deed of conveyance, which is shown now. And the final process in the conveyance was getting the property card transferred to our name. This also involved quite a bit of labor, and finally Prabhu Associates has successfully got this work done. The documents are being transferred to our name.